Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and today I'm sharing Ragi pasta recipe. Ragi or finger millet is a whole grain and it is naturally gluten free. This Ragi masala pasta is ideal as a healthy meal for kids and for adults. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm heating some water in a saucepan, and once the water starts to boil, add in some pink Himalayan salt and let it come to a rolling boil. Introducing Ragi pasta. Ragi or finger millet is naturally gluten-free. This Ragi pasta does not contain wheat or Maida. Please do check my website www.nisahomey.com for more sprouted millet-based products. And once the water starts to boil, I'm adding in 1 packet of Ragi pasta. Give it a stir so that the pasta doesn't clump together, and allow it to cook. It should get cooked in about 5 to 7 minutes. This Ragi pasta is ready to cook. It is available on my website www.nisahomey.com. Also, for my regular viewers, there is a 10% off. Use coupon code NISAHOMEY10 at checkout for the discount. It's about 7 minutes and the pasta is now cooked. I'm going to strain the pasta. The pasta is now strained. I'm heating my kadai with about 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 6 garlic cloves finely chopped. Give it a stir and allow the garlic cloves to turn light golden brown in color. And once the garlic clove starts to turn light golden brown in color, add in 1 chopped onion and allow the onions to turn transparent or light pink in color. Once the onion starts to turn light pink in color, I'm adding in some spices. Half teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon garam masala. Half teaspoon pink Himalayan salt as needed. Give it a good stir. Stir it for about 20 to 30 seconds so that the raw flavor of the masalas are diminished. Add in 1 tomato chopped. Give it a good stir. Add in a splash of water, cover and allow the tomatoes to get cooked. Remember to reduce the flame to medium. 2 minutes later, open the lid. The tomatoes are now lightly cooked. To make this more nutrient dense, I'm adding in 1 medium-sized carrot chopped, 1/4 of fresh green peas. You can also use frozen green peas. Give it a good stir, cover and let it cook on medium flame. It's about 2 minutes now. Let's check on the vegetables. And if you feel the vegetables need to cook a little more, then you can add in a splash of water. Again, cover it. Let it cook on medium flame for another 2 to 3 minutes. And 2 minutes later, open the lid. Give it a good stir. Vegetables are now cooked perfectly. 1/4 of a capsicum. I personally prefer to add capsicum towards the end as it will help to retain the crunch. Add in the strained Ragi pasta. Give it a good stir. Fresh coriander leaves. Everything is nicely mixed and my healthy Ragi pasta is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy Ragi masala pasta and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.